Welcome to the GMT.
Baba T don finally open up to APC youth leaders.
My people, how na dey? We don come again for this our news channel. If this one is the first time where you dey come across this our video, make you do well to subscribe. And if you don't subscribe before, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that all our news where they enter your phone as if na text message. This will not be them say. This one na see am for yourself, make you hear am for yourself.
My people, on today's news, we wan talk about the meeting where Baba T hold with APC youth leaders. So for this meeting, Baba T talk many things, but basically he can't specify on Nigeria youth. He can't dey beg them, say where they not worry, say things not they go their way this time. Say with time we go dey happy, say he get some kind decision where he make, where he favor them. Say make we not just worry at all. He can use illustration of pikin where they newly born. Say if they born the pikin, they go they feed down where they grow. Say now so it tenure one be. Say step by step, say everything will come go well. Say make we not just bother. Say in they feel wetin we they go through. He shall address many people, not be only you to talk to. He talk to papa, he talk to mama, he talk to pikin. Say make we not just worry at all. Say with time everything go dey okay. He can thank many people wey support am to enter power. He say he no go like disappoint them. Say he already pledge to Nigeria. Say he must make sure say he do his best for Nigeria to be better place. So my people wey not be like say they talk too much, I wan play on the video make una hear wetin he talk. Make una watch this video to the end though.
Grateful to all the youths across the country, represented by you, the good and energetic members of our party. I want to say thank you very much for all the work you've done and you've been doing and you are still going to embark upon for our great party. I thank all the youths and the young women who are part and parcel of our struggle to bring prosperity to the country. It has been a very serious journey. God answered our prayer. He gave us this victory and honor to be here. I want to say thank you once again for all the work. To all of you, I made my pledge to the country that no decision will be difficult for the good and prosperity and unity of our country. I still stand by that pledge. So thank you, the leadership, both men and women, for the understanding that to reform is not going to be easy. But it's for a future.
Welcome to the GMT.
We can only be sure of today. But cast your mind back to your childhood. Once upon a time, you took baby steps to grow up, to become adult. And what you are today is a pride to all of us. Thank you. Plead the understanding that economic reform is very slow in some time. I can assure you that I understand your pains and the pains of your uncles, brothers, and your moms. I understand, I feel it. It is not easy to get out a monster of over 40 years that is called subsidy. For few leaders, elites, fleecing Nigeria is not acceptable and will never be acceptable to us all. You've endured. You just need to persevere a little bit more. It's not going to be easy to make the changes necessary. But what we are going through today is saving for greatness tomorrow. Things that we cannot afford, we cannot engage in. We can't afford the subsidy. It is clear. It's meant for just a few elites. Our life is back. Our prosperity is coming. Our happiness is along the way. Thank you for all the efforts during the campaign. And thank you, please, I beg you to spread the understanding. Talk to your parents, uncles, and relatives that this president cares. Cares dearly for the economic benefit and welfare of this country. It is very difficult for people. Yes, I understand. I feel your pains. I feel their pains. But we have to go through this for us to survive the economic downturn. We survived the pandemic.
My people, now that year waiting, our Baba T talk, our president don't talk. Oh, say make we patient and make we wait. Things go fall in place. Well, we dey patient and we dey wait. We hope say as he talk am, so it go be. Oh, wetin I think us anyway. He just talk. So I go like no, make una drop una opinion for comment section. Until we meet again for another news, make una do well to stay safe. Oh, una do.
DJ